The structure of our organization relies on a small workforce to maximize efficiency and keep costs low. The owner is the leader of the company, being in charge of our social media, public relations role, and serving as a support staff role, filling in and covering shifts. The food truck manager runs the day-to-day operations of the truck. She/he is in charge of the servers and cashiers, and is a certified nutritionist and/or dietitian who can answer questions and educate customers on healthy meals. The cashier/server role will do the basic duties of the food truck and is the lowest entry-level position we offer. This format allows a clear and steadily defined hierarchy and command structure. For any possible expansion in the future, this format can be used, and thus is the most optimal structure for the needs of the company.